Good morning, traders. I want to make a quick video about the stop loss and take profit button, how you can use that to avoid unnecessary losses. So I will start the strategy tester. So to put a stop loss and take profit, well, first I would put a buy, and then you hit the stop loss and take profit. You can pause the test and move the buttons to wherever you want your stop loss and take profit to be. And that is how you use the stop loss and take profit that I designed with the original strategy tester. Boom. So you see our profit got taken there at $1.76. So we'll do a sell. And then we'll hit the sell, stop loss, and take profit. That's how it normally works. When you hit the stop loss and take profit, it'll pause so you can place your stop loss and take profit where you want. So here's the take profit, and here's our stop loss. So we put those wherever we'd like them to be. And then advance the candle. There we go. So our take profit got hit. We got our profit. I'll do one more. I'll do a buy. Buy, stop loss, and take profit. The strategy tester should pause. If it doesn't, just use the pause button. And then move your stop loss and take profit to your desired levels. And then advance candle. There, and our stop loss got hit that time. So that's how you use the stop loss and take profit button on the original strategy tester assistant trade simulator EA. Thanks for watching. Happy trading. Bye for now.